You know what I'm saying? YouTube, I'm back again another shoot video for y'all boys. I'm back again another drip video for y'all boys. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, Glenham, I ain't did one of these videos in a long time. And it's actually my fault, man. I've been so caught up with the game, and I got sick. If y'all know, I got pneumonia in February, March, I was like recovery month for me. But today, we got an unboxing video. But if you follow me on Snapchat, and if you follow me on Instagram, follow me, I do follow back. Y'all know what's inside this box, man. If you wanna know where to cop some latest sneakers, whether it's normal, hypebeast, Gucci, Fendi, Prada, etc., stay tuned to this video and find out where you can cop the most affordable, fire sneakers. You know what I'm saying? I want to give a shout out to KickMax, affordable shoe website where you can cop the most latest sneakers. Yeezys, Nike, all the Jordans, Gucci. They got designers for all you designer lovers. Balenciaga, Dior, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, they got it all, man. Click my link in the description, use my code GLOW for $15 off on your first purchase, man. Go ahead and see, man. I actually gotta do another unboxing video, designer too, man. So, you know, y'all stay tuned for that video. But today, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, man. I wanted to branch off from the Jordans, the Nikes and shit like that. I'm still like experimenting when it comes to shoes and the, you know, shit like that, man. But I wanted something like flashy, but yet something different, like creatively different. Now, these right here is called the Louis Vuitton Archlight Sneakers. Yep. You know, off rip, they give you the black Air Force One low top vibes, right? I never had low top black Air Force Ones. I ain't no dangerous nigga. I'm peaceful. What made me want this shoe, bro? Look at the designs on it, bitch. Now I know you thinking the designs look like I'm kindergarten drew it, but bro, look at that. Look at that. This makes people want to stop and stare, be like, bro, those Louis Vuittons? Yeah, nigga, fuck you thought this was? Don't you see the bottom? But nah, these cold, bro. Like, I know the drawing on the shoe looks so lame and but like, my niggas, like, this is creativity right here. Like, these, you want to talk about motherfucking stop and stare? These shoes right here gonna make a motherfucker stop and stare. And they Louis Vuitton, so they gonna be like, oh, he got money, girl. Oh my God. They gonna be like, them shoes ugly. But what is those? Louis Vuitton. Stop playing, come on. I got like over 22 pairs of shoes. I told y'all, when I get to 30 pairs of shoes, I'm gonna do a whole shoe video for y'all boys. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what we do. Let me show y'all what we working with. This is pretty much what I'm working with, man. You know what I'm saying? Plus I got more in the closet, tight shit. But yeah, I got about like 22, 25 pairs of shoes, man. They got the Louis Vuitton made in Italy sew in there. The only thing bad I have to say about these shoes, bro, is I don't know what to style it with. Like, of course you got like a lot of yellow in there. So I probably like, I be rocking this with like red and black clothes or some shit. Little yellow in there, bro. I don't know, but I fuck with this, bro. This is probably one of my best creative shoes I have in my whole collection. Louis Vuitton Archlight Sneakers. I fuck with it. Red Louis V on the tongue type shit, so motherfucking can know, you know. The bottoms, I ain't gonna lie to you, the bottoms, I'm very big on the bottoms. I love like Jordan 11s, how like icy bottoms. I don't know how to describe it, but I love the bottom of the shoe. This right here, fire. Like you can show a nigga this Louis Vuitton. Stop playing. You can show rock a black and yellow fit with this. That's why y'all need to stop playing. Use my code GLOW for $15 off on your purchase, man. Go cop you some, man. For all my younger audience, I know it's back to school shopping, man. Go ahead and tell your OG, tell your daddy, tell your grandma. Go to KickMax and get you some shoes, bro. They got it all, man. Like I said, they got Jordans, they got Yeezys, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Dior's. They got it all. What are you doing? Click the link in the description. Go cop you some, man. GLOW for $15 off. Y'all go follow KickMax. All their social media links will be in the description. Tell them GLOW sent you. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, I did an unboxing video, unboxing these shoes. I had a nice little fit on, a little jack. I forgot what I was wearing. I'm gonna put it right here to the screen. But as you can see, your boy had a fire fit, man. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all my social media, link in the description. I do a lot of unboxing videos. Social media is always gonna see the videos first before YouTube. But that's it for today's video, man. KickMax, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for sending me these shoes, man. I'm sorry for the wait. Your boy was sick. Your boy was grinding. GLOW them as a whole of subscribers. I got big news. I'm talking about from boy to man, big news. You feel me? But that's it for the video. I love y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for hitting that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. I hope you have a peace, positive day, peace, positive night. Take her to the bathwater because we don't, you know, oh, big, please chill, but she got it for that. Tell us at your cruise, you did. I love y'all boys. Gang.